into this.
Got into this.
You have to take a picture when I'm bare chested.
Wouldn't you prefer it that way?
No. So sad. So sad. Do you see that one? And some coins. Oh, a keychain. Hello? Coins.
Oh, look at that. Now we've got coins from lots of
Places.
yeah.
Whoa! This is a cool keychain.
I think that's the evil eye
The
or
evil eye.
something.
Dun, dun, dun.
The evil eye? Why did they have to fear us?
It's to ward off evil spirits.
Something like that.
It's spirits. Oh yeah. It says on the chocolate. Say something about spirits. It's really chocolate. I don't think this is chocolate. It's gum. Oh, I love it. Mom, what are these? Gum.
Are they mints? Are they little
They're gum,
Israeli
and then
mints?
this is gum. I mean mint, because it says mint on it. So I'm pretty sure it'll be mints. Minter. That's why it means that. Scarf.
Oh, is it made?
No, a hat. Oh, cool. And a scarf.
There you go. You're gonna need it tomorrow.
I'm trying to figure
Yeah,
out what
it's gonna
this
be
says.
cold.
My.
Let me see. Oh, Mykonos. It's a Greek island.
Meek? Meep.
Mykonos.
It's like meep.
Is it soft?
Mhm.
Good.
Mom, this scarf doesn't itchy.
Well, that's because Grammy Lane made it.
It feels good.
It doesn't make it itchy. Oh, look at the yarn for Alyssa's.
It's me.
Well, tomorrow we know when you can wear it.
Greek.
What does yours say?
Greek.
Oh, Greek. Mykonos. Greek sea.
Alyssa, watch your candles.
Mykonos. Now I can gear up. See? I can go like that. That. You won't want to wear that tomorrow.
Well, only over a long sleeve shirt, maybe.
This.
All right, what do you guys say?
Thank you. This.